Good chat. Live in 3 minutes. We back. Back at it. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get some good work done today. We unfortunately are not using Visual Studio yet. It kept crashing when I kept like trying to like configure it, so I was like, fuck it. I'm just gonna rock VS Code, I guess, for a little while longer until I can figure out why it's doing that. I'm not really too sure, but yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. I had some chats from earlier, live in 6 hours. I wonder why you put your name as Solbyte. What was your idea? I like the name Soul, and Byte kind of just goes well. Byte is like, you know, we might be. Okay, I'm just making sure that it's actually working. Yeah, but I like the name Soul and Byte. Like a computer, obviously, 8 bits. Okay, yeah, so last time we had a bug, like this weird error that kept popping up. Not like a compile error, like a runtime error. And we were trying to use the debugger to kind of look through it and find it, but that shit was not working. So today we are going to be tackling this thing once more. I've made some changes. I've been sitting here realistically for like probably 30 minutes now, just testing shit out, you know, trying to see. What is it? Huh? That was talking about. But yeah, and then with the help of some debugging, with some help of the AI that I use, also, we've been experimenting with some different stuff. So, anywho, yeah, let's just get into it, I guess. What's good, IDK? How are you? Hope you're doing good tonight. I saw your chat from earlier. To answer your question, I named myself Solbyte because I like the name Soul, and Byte because 8 bits. I don't know. I just fucking random name, if I'm being honest with you. I did like the name Soul though. My old name used to be Kalos, K-A-L-O-S. Bro, is this stream buffering? I genuinely can't tell. But yeah, thank you. Thank you for saying hi to Snorlax. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna try to figure out this bug tonight. Get that wiped out, and then yeah, we can move on with our lives. I don't think the lag is on your end. Okay. Well, as long as that is true, then I will not take the blame. Or I hope it's true. So yeah, I'm getting this error right now that says something about multiple definition of combat. Like multiple definition of the combat constructor, I'm assuming. Some shit like that, I don't know. What's up, D3 Codes? Hope it's going well. Thank you. It is going well. Hope you're doing well. I saw some streams a couple of days ago on the same sort of buffering. Interesting. Interesting. Maybe too much traffic on YouTube right now. I don't know. Yeah, so we're gonna try to fix this. Is it due to this? But then again, like, why the fuck should that even matter in the first place? Because we can have multiple definitions of it depending on it. Let's take it defined in both header and the to you. Well, I mean, like, I set these as null pointers by default so that way they don't, you know, do shit. But this is allowed. I don't know why it's saying that it's not. function. I don't even know what these mean. I hate when people say print cout debugging isn't professional, and then I see real code bases open source use it. When it's the initializers and the header are being treated as default constructor. The initializers and the headers? Oh, like this? If they're being treated as default constructors? You think they are? Do you think I should... it might be... Maybe we need to not initialize it as a null pointer. I don't know, like it made sense, but... I mean... Maybe. I don't... Doesn't it like... I don't know. Because, I mean, we were dealing with memory errors, like memory issues. It's redefining. It's saying this. Maybe just move the initializers to the, yeah, maybe so. Yeah, that might be it. Okay. What if it's because, no, you might be right. You might be right. It's because I defined this here too. So it's like, it's kind of overriding them in a way. I don't know. I was really trying to avoid like, shit, we got shit going on. What's this say? Okay, different errors, not the same errors. So that's maybe something. We got create select menu. Select target menu. What did I do there? Create select target menu. It's saying no matching function call or call to combat give valid targets. Party. I think it's because I changed that. I did some editing to that, I remember. Let me see. Hold on, I got too much shit going on my screen. Yeah, I did change that, didn't I? What line is it? Is it this line right here? No, wait, it's the get valid targets one. Where though? Where the fuck is that? Oh, it's this one. I was wondering. Player party, new party. Oh, too few arguments. Yeah, because I changed it. Hold on. What did I change it to last time? I don't remember. I just finished the paddle class for Atari Breakout, and then this stream came right when I finished. Hell yeah. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. That's what's up. How's that going, by the way? Is it going well? That project? Hope so. Yeah, so we have source party, opposing party. Oh yeah, and we added acting character and acting skill. Right. So what we would need to do is we would need to pass in acting character and acting skill. But yeah, I hope that project's doing well. Hakuna Matata. The acting character again. I think it's a new oh right, duh. Stupid. Actually so stupid. Right, obviously. So yeah, we need to pass in player party as the source party, enemy party, and then the acting character. So that's gonna be whomever game data. Actually, this function's gonna look kind of iffy. Let's make it down like this actually. Okay. Game data. Current battle. Then yeah, it's always going to be player party. We don't have to worry about that. But we need to define what specific one it's at. We can use party index, which is going to be from game data again. I hate how like just terrible this fucking file looks because of just how like fleshed out it is, but whatever. It is what it is. And then acting skill, so whatever skill they picked. So we can get that from here, right? Yeah, because it's like, it's gonna be stored, or like it's gonna be given back. Yeah, current party skill, that's what I thought. Had to make sure. Oh, it's fucking cold, dude. I'm telling you, bro, these apartments that I live in, they do not heat up well, gang. They do not heat up well. I'm like, bro, I be wearing like hoodies to bed, bro. I never do that shit. Like, bro, what? That's how fucking cold my apartment is. Like, I turn off the fan, get under the covers, bro, and I'm just freezing with a fucking hoodie on, bro. Dying inside. Okay, so game data, current battle, and then skill. Okay, I think that's, yeah, that's the right amount of arguments. What does this one say? I think it's the same shit. Given the targets, yeah. Do we use that anywhere else? I don't think so. What's up, Richard? Or Ricardo? Oh, Ricardo. Awesome work, even though it's not completed yet. Congrats on just being able to do this. Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. It's definitely in a messy state right now, but thank you, I appreciate you. We're working at it, you know what I mean? We're working at it. I don't think that this was really up to my skill caliber, but it's all good though. It's all good though. What is this error right here? Are these the same thing? No. I think they're all pointing to the same thing, right? Yeah. They're literally, yeah, okay, yeah, they're all pointing to the same shit. Let's try to recompile now. Probably gonna get more errors, but it's all good. Okay, I'll take makefile errors over those kind of errors. What do we got? Well, I'll tell you one thing. I'm not able to code very well if I don't have music in my ear, and I forget to play my music, so. There we go. Okay, now we're locked in. Now we're like super duper locked in. Oh yeah. Man, you're learning, not trying to make an AAA terminal based hit. Yes I am. The fuck? What do you think this is? You think this is just a learning experience, bro? We're trying to make money. We're trying to make cash off this. Come on, bro. I'm gonna make cash off this and we all split the profits. That's been the agreement since day one. Okay, yeah, still multiple definitions of combat. Yeah. Still, I mean, how is this wrong? I'm so confused right now. Like, I would understand if it was like, Clearly says he's a professional on the top right. Shut up, Psycho. Good to see you, Psycho. I always know I'm gonna have a good stream if Psycho's here. Yeah, bro, we're trying to make money off this shit. Come on now. It clearly says I'm a professional right here. Clearly says that. What did I just think of? I think I know what the issue is. I'm gonna see if this does anything like at all. It may not. Nice voice crack, thank you. And we're gonna kind of go from there. It may not, but we're just gonna clean this up. I know I could use the clean command, but sometimes that hasn't been working recently, so. Just gonna do this all the way down, because that's the most inefficient way, and that's how I like to do it. Okay, just making sure there's nothing else. Okay, that probably won't do shit, I ain't gonna lie, but it's all good. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got a warning. Warnings. We'll take warnings. Nice. Okay, it can compile. Empty braces still default initialized. Makes me think there's an implicit default. No, I think it's because I had to clean up the object files. So, hey, pretty sick. I mean, I know it's such a simple error that I should have known how to do, but nice. It's good to be done with it. Okay. Nice. How are you guys doing? I'm just curious. Like, I never ask you guys how you guys are doing. Also, well, I mean, I always do, but I want to know, how are you guys doing? How cold is it where you're at right now? I'm just curious. It's like mid-December, and where I'm at, it's like 54 degrees right now where I'm at. So I just want to like know how lucky I am compared to you guys. Also, we need a poll. So someone think of a poll for the day. Dude, I've gotten stuck on builds from forgetting to clean CV. Same deal, happens to the best of us. Well, thank you. That makes me feel a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, so let's see how it runs now, I guess. Now, we were having errors with memory earlier, so we got John, Harry is obviously a mage, George, and Peppa, pig. There we go. Oh, fuck. Damn it. I didn't factor in spaces. How stupid am I? Okay, fuck it, we'll just do this. Okay, fight, still works. One's turn, we do 1 on that, we go back, still works. Okay, fight. Okay. I think we're good. I think that all factors in right, I think, right? Because what? This was the first... Wait, no, but I do think it's backwards. Because I think this one should be first, this one should be... But I think that's just a printing error. Yeah, I think that should be... printing error, I think? I don't know. It's like 20 degrees in mid-east Ohio. Jeez, dude. That error was so misleading. Yeah. 26 degrees Celsius in Australia. Thank you for putting the Fahrenheit. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you for that. My dumb American self needs that. 80 degrees Fahrenheit? Jeez. In December? No, that's how it is here in Texas sometimes. Like, in Texas, I remember this one year, me and my sister, we were able to go swimming on Christmas Eve. Like, it was so hot outside. It wasn't like hot, but it was like summer weather type of hot. So we went swimming that day on Christmas Eve. So that's Texas. But sometimes it's like freezing, so you never really know. Kids next door taught me that 30 degrees Celsius is hot early on. I'll never forget. Somebody here though? Oh yeah, I'm stupid. God damn it. I'm actually so dumb. I forgot that's a thing. Bro. Nah, this is really a dumb American moment right here. Jeez, bro. I forgot. My bad, psycho. My bad. Dude, yeah, I forgot like the entire like... It's like the south of the equator is like summertime right now, right? That's gotta be so weird. Like, that would fuck with me. If Christmas was in summer, like, dude, that would really fuck with me. Like, what do you mean? It's hot outside. Just equator things, for real. I'm so dumb, bro. Fuck it, I code. I don't do geography. Okay, I think this works. I'm pretty sure this fucking works, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I do think that this is still reversed because I think that it should be, but I think that's just a printing error. I think we can just fix that pretty easily. So yeah, fuck yeah. So we can actually move on with our lives. We don't have to fucking debug this much more. Nice. So yeah, the menu system is pretty damn good at this point. You hide your problems. Wait, why does it say choosing a target? Because it should say whatever's turn, but I think it's because we don't have the loop in place yet, so I don't know. Yeah, I will accept the southern hemisphere is wrong. Really? Damn. No. I had a friend, he went to Australia every summer. He loved it there. I think his sister moved to Australia. So, Australia must be nice. That's gonna fuck up some shit, I'm sure. Oh, that's an interesting little bug there. Whatever. Okay, so clearly we need to loop it now. But I'm pretty sure this works now. This is just a C out. Wait, what? What the fuck? Okay, I don't think it matters. Straight up to my face. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, whatever. We fixed what we had wrong earlier the other day, so that's all I really fucking care about, if I'm being honest. As long as we have that, we're good. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and commit changes. Excuse me. That's why I smile on my face. Fix, memory errors. Cool, git, push, what's this called again? Feature menu system? I forget. Forgore. Yo, what up, Solbyte and Snorlax? Thank you. Thank you, AZ. Thank you. Come on, one of the only people who actually... Come on. C switch to see how instead of... Yeah. I've grown. Fix code, Snorlax helped. Oh, damn, I should have done that. Damn it, bro. Next time. The next commit's gonna be like that. Snorlax, get push force. No. We're not doing that one, but I do like your other suggestion. That one's good. Okay. Nice. So that's kind of fixed. Now we just have to deal with the loop. So let's kind of go back to the game. I haven't fucking looked at the game file in a minute, so... Yeah, right now this is just... We can get rid of this now. This doesn't matter anymore. Well, no, I want to keep that. We'll keep that for right now, actually. Yeah, we'll keep that. And let's just make it more explicit, though. Because I had no idea what that number was when I first looked at it. Party index. Let's do that. This just shows me what the party index is currently at. Bada bing, bada boom. What the fuck? There we go. Okay. So the combat loop we're not even really doing, I don't think, anymore. Let me try to remember. Because we've been looking, I mean, we've been fixing memory errors for a minute now. I forgot how the fuck the rest of my code works. So I think if we go to menu manager, I have so many fucking files open right now. Yeah, if we go to menu manager, do we use the combat function anywhere here? Or like the combat loop? No, okay, we don't. I didn't think so. We shouldn't. Up there, it's still C out though. Shh. We'll fix that later. So let's see. Yeah, how do we want this to loop? Because it like did something weird last time. We did. Well, okay, let's just look at the end of select target menu and see what kind of happens there. So we do this. Right. Push the action right. Have you guys seen Burnt, the Burnt Peanut, bro? He's all over my fucking feed right now. Like, bro. Good on you for actually learning Git. Some of the best engineers I know still use GitHub Desktop. Hey, you know what's crazy? I'm a CS major and they don't teach that shit in school. Even though that's probably like one of the most important things that you should really know. I use it at my job all the fucking time. I used it today. Like, you know what I mean? Git, Glow integration terminal. Shut the fuck up, psycho. Fucking psycho. Yeah, anyways. But yeah, it's actually shocking how many like CS students don't know Git. Like, it's insane. But it's because they don't teach it in college. And a lot of CS students are like, oh, like I'll just go through college and I'll learn everything. Which is not the case ever. So CS, I always say CS is not a coding degree, it's a theoretical computating degree. It's about computations and stuff. Yeah, so we in place this. I don't think we're... See, why is this not working? Because last time it did that too. That is crazy. Git is so important. Exactly. I'm a CS dropout, and there's so much in the actual industry they don't teach you. Exactly. That's why I don't rely on my school. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, I go to class, But you know, doing self-discovery like this is vital. Exactly. And you know what's even more vital? Having a homie like Snorlax next to you while you're doing it, right? Like, come on now. And streaming in front of the whole internet while you're learning. That's very vital. That way you can really get used to pressure. You know what I mean? I mean, you know, a lot of CS students need to get used to the pressure of code reviews. You know what I mean? So you need to get used to the pressure of coding in front of senior devs. So I think everyone should stream. Okay, but why the fuck is this not working though? Wait, is this the if both are true? No, wait, if both are false, then that's the end game. Yeah, in battle resets the party index, but I don't think we're resetting the party index after this, are we? Yeah, we're definitely not. If no next partner, yeah, okay, we need to do that here, I think, right? So battle, it's quite simply the same shit as this, so let's just do that. Oh, that's nice. Whole internet equal more people. Streaming also encourages self-reflection and improve. Yeah. Yeah, I look forward to the day where I go back to my old streams, my streams from like a month and a half ago, like one day, like years from now or some shit. I want to go back to like my like first couple of streams and be like, what the I streamed this. I was comfortable with streaming this. Like, what? It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait for that. Yeah, so if both are false, this is checking if next party member does not exist. Therefore, it's at the end of the list. We do the process turn. Wait, hold up, Gango. This is wrong. Yeah, no, this is totally fucking wrong. This is if there's no next party member. So it's like, okay, if there is a next party member, then we do. No, wait, no, wait. That is right. This is wrong. We need to have an else statement for this. Okay, that's what needs to happen. Okay, cool. I think that every day about the day before. Yeah, no, there's some. I remember when I first started working at my internship back in like July. And dude, I still have like the repositories from like my projects that they started me on, and I was like, oh shit. Like, how do they not fire me? I mean, it wasn't like that bad, but you know, it is like, oh Jesus, like what the fuck? So yeah, so I think we need to have an else statement for this, right? Because this checks if the game is ended, right? But we need to do like if the homie is still alive, then we need to do like a reset. So we'll do that. I think. I don't fucking know. Well, no, we don't really need to do an else, do we? I mean, we could just pass, like, it'll just pass through it if it's false. So yeah, we could just continue, I think, honestly. Yeah, let's just do that. So we'll do this. Stick around the same as being stuck. Do this. Let's see, we'll be on target. Wait, do we need a double pop? We probably need a double pop. Yeah, we do need a double pop. Yeah, we just need to do this again, basically. But we just need to reset the first party index. That way it's actually accurate. Okay. Yeah, I think so. That may fix it. Probably not, knowing my luck, but we'll try it. You God does the same thing. We're gonna fix these warnings later, alright? Don't worry about them. Don't look at them. Don't look at them. Bitches that I've seen lately. A1, B2, C3, D4. Fight, attack. Enemy 1. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Party index. Oh, I didn't do a space. Okay, so if I do back, we should get party index 0. Good. Attack. We'll do enemy 4 just to check that that actually did work. Okay, enemy 4, enemy 4, enemy 4. Okay, perfect. Okay, I was just making sure that it overrided the first move that we selected. This is still printing in reverse though, which is really weird. I don't really know why it's doing that, but whatever. All right, cool. So we just need to print the turn count after this as well. So let's go ahead and make sure of that. And yeah, I want to find out why this is printing in reverse. I'm assuming this is also printing in reverse, if I'm being honest. Is Linus the final boss? Yes. I'm coming for you, Linus. Okay. Yeah, so we need to do, before we do select skill menu, we need to do, I think we could just do game data, current battle, and then invoke the print turn. Yes, that's the one. Okay, but I don't think we're incrementing turn count though, so we need to do that too. So, yeah. Will I see you at the show tonight? Hello, Snorlax. What's up, Apple? I thought you said you weren't going to be here today. Good to see you, of course. I hope your test went well. Thank you for saying hi to Snorlax. You said hello to Snorlax before you said hello to me. No, hey, honestly, that's better. Honestly, that's better. I mean, you did say good luck earlier, so thank you for that. Okay. Yeah, so print turn, but we need to increment the turn. And turn is in combat, right? I need to make sure of that. Just want to make sure. Turn count 1. Are we initializing that at 1? I thought the initialize, or not the initialize. I thought the. No, wait, no, that wasn't the combat loop. That's where that was. Okay, yeah, I remember now. I do remember that now. Yes. Okay, yeah. So we'll just increment it right here. It doesn't matter. Game data, current battle, turn count. I think we can access it. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right, and I think that's it. Genuinely, I think that's it. I think we're gonna do. The exam was scheduled to be 3 hours, but I finished earlier than that. It wasn't written to take 3 hours anyways. Awesome. That's good. Hell yeah. Good. So I'm assuming since you finished earlier, it was pretty decent. Went pretty well. I hope so. Hope so. All my exams went pretty well. Because you've got C down, right? Yeah, you got C down, right? What was I doing? Totally forgot. We incremented that, yes. But we had something else to do. Fuck, dude. What was it? Turn count. Oh, yes. Thank you guys. Thank you for reminding me. I'm just gonna fix this. It just looks awful when I don't have it like that, so. Okay, let's try this again. Another warning, don't worry about it. We're not even using the combat loop anymore, so it doesn't matter. A1, B2, C3, D4. Okay, fight, party index still 0, good. Attack, enemy 3. Choose move, attack, enemy 2, attack, enemy 4, attack, enemy 1. Cool, prints the turn, good. Also, it didn't print the turn up here, but we can fix that. What's up, Dusk? What's up, Dusk? Good to see you. Please say hi to Snorlax. Thank you. What is Fergor not a good word for it? Okay, we forgot to. Fuck. And we still need to do this, don't we? Yeah. Hold on. I don't know what the why that's caused. I don't know what's causing that. It's got to be something. Gotta be something. Well, yeah, no shit. No shit, it's something. Let's fix this first. Let's fix whenever it actually goes into it first. Yeah, let's fix that first. So here in the fight menu, I think it is. Yeah. Here in the fight menu. This one looks very festive. Thank you. It was $20, so I'm making sure that everyone says hi to it. Get my money's worth, you know what I mean? I have a Santa hat I could put on, but a Santa hat I can put on tonight. Get festive. There we go. Hell yeah, we festive tonight, boys. Hold on, wait. Put that to the side. Yes, sir. Okay. Back to it. So yeah, whenever we go here in the fight menu, We're gonna print the turn count. Even though it's like 1, still. We're just gonna do it anyways. We do game data, don't we? Current battle. Print turn. Yeah. And that should always be 1, I think, but fuck it. Get festive. Rotato chip? Hell yeah. There's no rules against the Pokemon. No rules against the Pokemon, Sean. What do you mean no rules against the Pokemon? What are you referring to? You concern me, Sean. You concern me. Okay, so that should be good now. Let's check it. Are you guys festive? Do you guys like Christmas as much as I do? Default. Fight. Running next 0. We'll do fight. It should print the turn. Very good. Also, I totally forgot we were doing this in the first place, but Sean, no, don't. Right. What's up, BTK? How far are you into this by now? Pretty far into it. We're almost done with the skill menu. I'm just fixing some errors, fixing some bugs. But good to see you, BTK. We're pretty far into it. And honestly, after the menu, I think all that's really left, all that I really think I want to add besides that is going to be the new leveling system. And that's probably it. Then we'll probably move on to an actual game. There's no rules. In my rewrite of this, I managed to think my code was bugged and crashing when either side had no living members. It took an embarrassing amount of time before I realized it was because I was not running combat round function in a while loop that terminated either side with no living members. Damn. I think I had a very similar thing happen to me. I remember something like that. Okay, I just remembered though, at the same time, we're not going back to the fight menu, which, why even have a fight menu if we're not going to go back to it every single time? So we need to have a, we do need to have a back option. So really what we need to check, what we really need to check is, okay. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. It still works. I mean, everything works how it needs to, which is good. Yeah, everything works, which is good. We just, whenever this happens, we need to go back to the fight menu. That way we can get, or that way we can allow them to see the battle info. Awesome, brother. Can't wait to see the polished result. Have you implemented a checkpoint system yet? Is it even necessary in your game? We could. I mean, we could do like a save game option for sure. I mean, I don't think that would be too hard to implement at all. But as of right now, it's just kind of like a very short game. But you know, if we, I mean, to make it more scalable for sure, that's probably a good idea. So we'll see. Okay, we do need to adjust this file though. And I think it's a pretty simple fix, if I'm not mistaken. You can just do, right, instead of doing, yeah, okay, just instead of doing create skill menu, create select skill menu, we just do create fight menu. And that should work just fine, I think, right? Let me see. Same with this. Same with this. Wait, this is, what is this checking again? No next partner. Oh, no. Don't touch that. I'm not gonna touch that. We're gonna touch this one. Yes. Create fight menu. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Perfecto. And I think that's it. I think that would genuinely fix it pretty, like, just like that. I could be wrong, but. Well, I guess whenever we do create fight menu, we should probably do the print turn instead, right? That would make the most sense. So instead of doing, where the fuck is it? This file's so big. Instead of doing this, we'll put it up here instead. Right. Because we also need to add some other stuff here too, like the, to do show start battle info. Yeah, we'll do that. We don't even have that yet. Alright, bro, can't stay much longer tonight. Have a good stream, man. I'll catch you later. Hell yeah, BTK. Good seeing you. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good night. Mi amigo. Okay. So yeah, we'll do that later. I don't really feel like doing it now. Go and compile. A1, B2, C3, D foe. Keep saying foe. Fight. Okay, yeah. So turn 1, we're gonna do the party info, or not the party info. We're gonna do like the beginning of the battle info later, because I don't feel like it right now. So we'll do fight. Now the only thing is, do we want to add like a back option that goes back to the fight menu, that literally like wipes the action queue, or DQ, it's DQ now, wipes the action DQ and goes back? I mean, I feel like that would make the most sense UI wise, you know what I mean? Like that would make the most sense, because then if you accidentally hit fight, now you're forced to fight. Like what if you want to go back and use like an item, you know what I mean? So maybe it's better. Ugh, dude, I hate anything to do with UI, because I don't know how complicated that would be. I don't think it'll be too complicated, honestly, now that I think about it. It would just, I don't know, it just kind of sucks. But I don't even know like what kind of option we would do. Like, do we just do like back to fight menu, or return, like cancel, some shit like that? A back option? Yeah, like look, we have a back option right now, and basically what the back option, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's kind of small, but basically what the back option does is it allows you to go back to the previous party member and reselect a skill and a target, just in case you want to go back. But we want to also probably allow the move of being able to go back to the fight menu, because later I want to add like items, or you know, like things that you can like use in the battle, stuff like that, like potions and shit. Or like if you just want to like print the party info and before deciding what you want to select, I want to be able to add an option to be able to go back. I don't think it'll be too hard. Yeah, I don't think it'll be too hard. The only reason back was kind of hard was because we'd have to reset everything. Or we'd have to reset one at a time. Like, so if we went back, it'd have to go back or decrement by 1. So, but I think this one, it just resets if we just add like a separate back option. So I think that would make the most sense. Could be doable, just retain the fight state. Yeah, I think so. I don't know what to call it though, because this one's like back. This one just says back. I mean, I guess we could be more specific. We can be like, I don't know. Like, I mean, we could do like cancel. Could do cancel, I guess, huh? Cancel just sounds like, I don't know. I guess cancel would make sense in a way. Yeah, cancel might make sense in its own little weird way. Excuse me, guys. All right, fuck it. Let's just do that. And I wanted to come after this too. Bro, what is going on with my voice? We'll do, yeah. This may not look amazing, but fuck you. Options, place back, and boom, and yeah. Do cancel. Just some shit like that. Why not? We can rename it later on. That's not the thing that I'm worried about right now. Dude, holy fuck. What is going on? Man, what the fuck? Oh, it's because... Yeah, okay. Should be pretty easy, I think. Yeah, so we just need to do... We need to basically... do this right here. Like, you can think of it as like whenever no next party member exists, right? We basically do this, don't we? We do this, yes, turn count, but we just won't increment the turn count. Yeah, okay, yeah. It's simply just this exact same logic. We just don't increment the turn count. And it's gonna look funky, but bear with me. Do this the old-fashioned way. Cool. Turn count, you're not existent, or not needed anymore. Okay, and I think that works. I think that'll work. Because it basically just resets it. Like, it just resets it every time, so. Do we add a back option for that one too? For the select target menu? I think we did, right? Did we? Yeah, okay, yeah, we did. That one's pretty easy though. It's just the exact same shit. Yeah, it's the exact same thing. I'm trying to remember if there's anything that I need to remember. Yeah, I'm trying to remember if there's anything that I'm missing here. Like, in terms of making sure that the fight is still... The command emplacement syntax looks fine. Idiomatic to me. Hope so. I think it should be fine. I think, I feel like I'm missing something. Like, I feel like it's gonna, like, break. What am I missing? I don't think anything, because the party index will go back to the first party member. Yeah, I think we should be okay. Yeah, I think so. Let's test it. Fight. Okay, yeah, so we could do cancel and it'll just go back. Okay, cool. Fight, attack, boom, boom, boom. And then let's say, oh, wait, no, I want to go back. Cancel goes back. Right? Okay, and it started. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's a pretty easy function. That's pretty simple. I didn't think it'd be too hard, but you never know with me. I can make things pretty complicated. So print battle info. Yeah, so we can utilize other stuff too if we want. Nice. Nice. Damn, I'm hungry already. We've done so much work. Okay. Nice. So I think the only thing left now is the it's printing like backwards. Like it's printing the moves backwards, which is weird. I think it's something to do with... It's got to be something to do with like the way that we're popping it. So let's go to the combat really quick, because that's where it's going to be at. There's a lot of functions in here that we're just never ever going to use anymore. But it's all good. I think it might be a use skill thing. Wait, is it a use skill thing? I mean, I don't think so. That wouldn't make sense. I think it's simply just this. GQ, pop front. Do we pop front or do we pop back? It's front, right? Yeah, pop front. Because that would be the way that a Q would work. So it would be pop front, I do believe. It's just so weird though. Like, I don't know why it's doing that. Because like, for instance, what's happening is, as soon as it loads, it's not gonna load. What the fuck's going on? What? Is my stream still online? What the hell? Okay, that's weird. I'm always imagining a line of squares in my head. The leftmost square is the front. Right. Oh yeah, like when it comes to like Qs and stuff like that. This originally was a Q, but we had to remake it to a DQ. That way we could actually remove stuff from the Q from the back. So we had to kind of refactor that. But ever since we refactored it, it just prints weird now. Like here, I'll show you. We do A. Now look, if it's a warrior, it should always take out 29 HP. So just keep that in mind. And we're going to make the very last party member a healer, which if they do an attack, it'll take away 9 HP. So if we do fight, right, A wants to attack enemy 1, B wants to attack enemy 2, C wants to attack enemy 3, and D wants to attack enemy 4. Right? It's like in reverse. And so are these. It's like they're being processed in reverse. Do I need to do a pop back? Is that what it is? I mean, that could be it. I don't I don't know. I mean, fuck it, let's try it. Because it's clearly still, I guess, working, but that doesn't make any sense though, because like we're using the front and then we're no way, this is the front of the hair, right? Okay, yeah, stupid. Let's try that again. Let's just see if that does anything or if that changes it. Oh yeah, push front will fill it in reverse. Oh, so I'm just dumb. That's what's going on. 1, 2, C3, D4. Oh, I wonder if maybe I filled it in reverse. Wait, what the fuck happened? What? Wait, did I... Wait, huh? Wait, what? Wait, hold on. 1, 2, C3, 4, fight. What? What just happened? Okay, I think what's happening is it's no, this needs to be up front, but I do think what's happening is I think whenever we push it, we're pushing it to the front. That might be it. That might be it. So let me yeah, push front. So maybe this needs to be pushed back. And in the menu manager, whenever we add this stuff, that's probably what it is. Place back command, push front. Push front. Would that need to be pushed back as well? Yeah. No, well, this one would be the pushback that we need to change. Yeah, okay. I do remember that now. Cool. Let's see if that works now. Oh, nice. Permission denied? Is that a fucking... I think it's an exe thing, right? Yeah. 1, B2, C3, D4. Fight, fight, fight. Enemy 1, enemy 2, enemy 3, enemy 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Nice. Cool. Okay, it's in order now. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Found it. Let's go. Good shit. Good shit, boys. Alright, so we can get rid of that C out and then we can go and commit and we can move on to whatever else we want to do now. Because I don't think you guys understand. I was working on that menu system for probably like the past 8 streams. Past 8 streams, I've been trying to get to this point right here. So that's where we're at. I guess now we need to test it like the whole battle to make sure that it comes back out. But hell yeah, we finally got to where I've been trying to get the past like 8 streams, dude. Like genuinely, I've been pulling my hair out. Holy shit. Okay. Hell yeah. This is like a celebration. Okay. So we need to add this first. I just don't want to forget about it. You did a battle and battle start. So I think that works. So I'm not sure. Shout out to Snorlax. Hey, honestly, bro, I wouldn't be here without Snorlax. All right, pound it. There we go. Snorlax helps me get the menu system done. So it's really all credit to Snorlax. We're gonna make sure to add him to the commit on this one. Snorlax is your what? Is your what, Psycho? Concerning me. Okay. Menu. What else do we need to do? Get rid of this in the game loop. We're just doing like some basic stuff now. Just making sure everything's good. Okay. So that's done. And then let's what's next? Not gonna say here. Psycho. Psycho. Thank you for not saying it here. I need a good poll, guys. I need a good poll, so that way whenever people come in, they can vote on the poll. What should the poll be, guys? And Psycho, you're not allowed to answer. Let's see. I think that's it. Well, no, we need to make sure. No, I think we do. Wait. Yeah, I think so. So we might be okay in that case. Next poll question, brother. 1, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Byte. Wait, what's the pretty next? Oh, did I not? Oh, I didn't, yeah. Oh shit, now you have to think of 4 polls. Bro. 1, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Mission failed successfully. Let's do, poll, you should you switch to NeoVim? Bruh, hell no. What? Like, come on now. We can do like an IDE thing though. Or we can do like... We can do like a which is better. Like... Which is better, VS Code or Visual Studio? But I feel like that's gonna be such an easy thing though. Yeah, fuck it. We need something. Come on now. I want something. Alright, you guys vote. VS Code's gonna stay at a solid 0% the whole time. Okay, so attack enemy 2, attack enemy 2, attack enemy 2, attack enemy 2. Nice. For battle info. Does it print the accurate info? Okay, it does. Just making sure. Now let's actually try to go through and defeat these guys. Okay, just make sure everything's good. What the fuck? Enemy 2 lost -1 HP? What happened there? What the fuck? Those have different use cases for me. Yeah, they're very different. They are very different. One's an IDE, one's not even an IDE, so. Why did it, what the fuck? Enemy 1 has fallen. Why did it say enemy 1 has fallen like 3 times? What the fuck? Oh, I guess it's because... Oh, you know what I think happened? I think it's because... Hold on, wait. If we do cancel and print battle info, it's because enemy 1's gonna have... Wait, no. I don't know. What is it? I forget. Wait, I can't think properly. No, I mean that should be right, but how did it get -1? How did enemy 2 lose -1 HP? So what, did it gain HP? Is that what happened? So you're asking, do you want to be shot or stabbed? Well, I mean, that's a pretty valid, you know? Okay, then what poll? Okay, what other poll should we do then in that case? Let's do bro. Let's do hold on. Do which is better. Oh shit. I hear people ask me all the time if I use those, but I don't. There we go. There's something. There's something that could spark a debate. Oh, nice. It's loading. Still loading. DoomX versus Novavim. Fuck that Neovim. Fuck no. Richard Stallman versus... What is that? Hey, at least you didn't put dev C++ there. What are you talking about? Oh, what? Like, say that I'm a dev? Or like... Yes. Oh, it's a shitpost. Oh. Nice. Nice. 6-7 or Skibbity Toilet Rose? I'm sorry. Yeah, let's continue to fight. I have no fucking idea why it did this. It's kind of concerning me. It's like, did it gain? What the f... Okay, something with the calculation. So yeah, something with the formula is going on. Oh. Okay, my chat isn't updating over here. It updated on my screen, but it didn't update over here. Nice. Some abomination called J Developer at a paid internship. Damn. J Developer? Shit sounds like ass. Here we go. For Java, obviously. Right. Java, yeah. With CS degree versus non-CS degree. Probably with degree, I think would make the most sense, right? Coding Jesus versus low level. Low level. Easy. Easy. Do you guys actually watch Coding Jesus? I saw his videos on fucking Pirate Software. That was fun. But I was just there for that. Yeah, so it's something to do with the formulas, I think. I think that's fixable, I think. It's just like weird because it's like I wonder like if we do attack enemy 4. Yeah, like enemy 4 lost 3.5 HP. So does that mean that okay, wait. Let's try this again. Let's keep a note. We'll do attack enemy 3. We'll do that. So enemy 3 lost -6 HP. So does that mean that it actually gained HP? Is that what happened? Enemy 3 had 255, and now enemy 5 has more than 255, so that's obviously not good. Can we contribute to your RPG game? You can, yeah. If you type !code for the repository, I do accept some pull requests sometimes, so yeah, you can contribute, but for the most part, it's mostly kind of my thing and my system. If you go through and like refactor the entire thing, I'm not gonna. I probably won't accept that one, but you know. I don't watch these dorks unless they're teaching me something. Fair enough, bro. Fair enough. Yeah, that's how I feel about myself. Okay. So yeah, it's gaining HP, which is so weird. We're just not gonna worry about it for right now. I think it's an easy fix. Should be an easy fix. Enemy 2 lost -5 HP. What the fuck, dude? Enemy 2 lost 9 HP. Wait, what? Hold up, what the wait, what's going on? Like, actually, what is going on? Oh, it's because the defense stat is just raising and raising and raising and raising, but it's never coming back down. Look at these defense stats. 31, 31.5, 26.5. What the fuck? Ban the guy who said Rust. Psycho, come on now. People like Rust. If it will be terminal game, are you going to add UI after some time? I might. I've thought about it. I thought about taking maybe the core logic and adding like some graphics to it, yeah. But we'll see. And why is Holy C not there? Okay, Terry, shut the fuck up. Yeah, so that's exactly what's happening. It's because the defense is being buffed, but it's never coming back down. So, shit, that's a whole separate system entirely. Yeah, I just fucking realized that, dude. That's why it wasn't working. Okay. Okay. How do we do that though? Like, how do we even? I guess we could do perform action. We could do that. Yeah, probably so. I think in combat, if I go to combat, if I can fucking find combat, there it is. Yeah. We actually wrote it to do for this. Okay, yeah. That's cool. That's fine. I mean, at least we thought about it. I forgot that you just had a random microwave in the background. Microwave go, bruh, come on now. Come on now. I eat, you know how much food that thing supplies me with? Let's not disrespect the microwave, alright, gang? Come on now. Like, let's, the Snorlax fit? Psycho, you are fucking crazy. Jeez. Sean, don't get any fucking ideas. Okay. You know, because there's no rules against Pokemon. So we need to reset the effect, the status effect. Ramen dispenser, exactly. CeeLo, you know what's up. You know what's up. I'm actually all out of ramen right now. I need to go to the store soon. But I'm getting Taco Bell tonight. You guys like Taco Bell? Do you guys fuck with Taco Bell? I eat it all the time in college, so. Okay. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Come on now. Come on now. You know what's up, DJ. How do we do this though? Like I'm low-key like kind of confused. Official crack? Wait, what? Official crack den resident? Me or you? What's up, Danny? I hope you're doing good. How did that you went to like a psych ward or some shit, right? How did that go? How was that? Unless you can't say that here, because you know, secret. I genuinely don't even know how to check for that. Like, how do we even? Should we do something in like the use skill that, like flag, that like flags, if we need to go back to the original stat, or I don't know. I can't really decide. I feel like that would be too much though. Like I feel like if we could just check that here, I'd rather just do that. Genuinely. I would have to live in there for about 10 days. What, the psych ward? You have to like, you being dead ass, you have to live in there? I'd prefer Lola Bunny over Snorlax. Sean, someone get this motherfucker out of here, bro. I don't trust this guy. Sean, I don't. No. No. Who the fuck is in my chat, bro? Like, what kind of chatters we got today, bro? What the fuck is this? Okay. You guys are fucking distracting me. Yeah, I feel like what we should do is we should check if maybe like, yeah, let's do that. Let's do like a for loop that kind of goes over the party for each. I like how that looks. How do we do that? Like when you need my love, I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling. Ever since I left the city, you. Okay. Yeah. Karaoke stream? Oh, sorry. My fault, gang. I have Drake playing in my ear right now. I'm not listening to what you guys are listening to. Because if I listen to what you guys are listening to, or if I listen to Drake on stream, I fucking, I'm just messing with you. Yeah, I know, Sean. I'm just messing with you too. If I listen to the music I actually like to listen to on stream, it'll get copyrighted, so kind of sucks. But no, not a karaoke stream. My bad. My fault. You guys don't want me to do that. That would be a punishment, I think. Like, honestly. Like, I think we lost viewers when I did that. So. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go over and we're gonna see... We're basically just gonna check if the... If player party I get defense, we're gonna check if that is... I'm guilty of the sin of watching VTubers, so I was just joking around. Oh, okay. Gonna get stretched for singing that. Psycho, I'm not that good of a, of a singer for it to even be copyrighted. They probably think it's some original, is what they think. Looks like C++ is winning, or C and C++ is winning 71%, so whoever likes Rust, I guess you just suck, I don't know. You know what I might want to do? What if we return the skills? It might make more sense to do that. Everything I say is 100% serious. Psycho, I believe that. I genuinely believe that. I genuinely believe that, Psycho. I feel like everything that you say is serious. This is kind of a lazy thing, though. I don't think we should do this, because this isn't very scalable, is it? Can you sing I really like some Fortner? No. I'm gonna deny that request. What the fuck is Fortner? What is that? What we should do really is I think we should return the skill list. No, not the skill list. Get the stats. Yeah. What I want to do is get like this. Yeah. No, wait, that doesn't make any sense. No, that's stupid actually. My For You page is just AI monkey being like, oh, my last is in. I'm gonna ask Kyle for more. Bro, I've seen those. It's like the big ass like gorilla, like with the fucking like GoPro camera, like just in the woods, like what the fuck, like just vlogging. Shit's funny. Okay, I actually am lazy now that I think about it. We're gonna do this. If this is more than what it should be. If this is more than, how would we do that though? Don't we have a function for that? I don't know, I haven't been in the character class in so fucking long. Can you sing #1 Victory Royale? No. I like Rust, but not more than C and C++. We won't let you rocket jump because that's not safe. Yes, they'd be like, where the HUD's at? Okay. Don't we have a, not a level up, but we have a set, yeah, we have a set defense stat, set attack stat, that kind of thing. Where are those exactly? Set defense. Oh, it's because it's here, isn't it? These are setters? Yeah, set defense. Wait, wait, what? Set defense stat. Oh wait, that's not even the right one. Wait, so where's set defense stat? Is that like a totally like separate function? Wait, are we? I don't know actually. Ruffle is built in Rust. What is Ruffle? Wait, where are we getting this? Where are we getting? Where's this come from? It's a character. Oh yes, it's a pure void. Yeah, it's a pure. Sorry, it's a pure virtual void function. That's what it is. So I think all we really would need to do is where were we? I think all we would need to do is player party I, and then do set defense stat. Just do that, I think. Genuinely. Okay, but this is having errors. Switch my self class type. Wait, why is that? Is it this? No, but that doesn't fucking. Oh, because it's a. Yeah, no, I'm actually done. Okay. Okay, that's not working though. Why is that not working? What? Switch must have class type, but it has well, yeah, duh. So I do this, right? Set defense stat. Wait, do we need to? We might need to pass in something for that. I don't think we do though. How did you fix the DQ seg fault? I played around with the pointers and it eventually worked. So I also asked AI why that was happening and where I should fix it, and it said you should adjust the valid targets function, so I did. So that's where we're at. Flash emulator? Oh, okay. I still don't have the debugger working, but it is what it is at this point. I don't know. Don't really know what to do about that. I'll get it fixed eventually. We're still not using Visual Studio because it kept crashing on me. So we're still in VS Code today. Because I think last stream I was like, oh yeah, like I'll do that next time. Some shit like that. We don't need to pass in anything to that, so why is this not working? I don't know what this means. We should be able to use that. Hold on. Yeah, set defense stat. You're comparing void? Ah, yes I am. Oh yeah, those are void functions, damn it. So that makes, oh fuck. Do I need to go back through and... Should I go back through and return this? Visual Studio 1 with 100% of the vote. Just like... Psycho. I think all I need to do maybe is maybe if I adjust the stats, that might work. Where is that? I don't know. Where did that go? I gotta be missing it. Oh, it's, yeah, I'm stupid. We should really have a max defense. Like, we should just store that, I think, honestly. That would kind of make the most sense. But, because, I mean, they are things that can go up and down, so it would make the most sense to also, just kind of like how we also have max HP and max resource. If these can also be changed, I feel like it would make the most sense to do max attack. Maybe not display them, but just have them. Yeah, just having them I think would work. So if we do, yeah, so we'll just adjust this. It should be an easy fix, I think. Genuinely. Also, I forgot to say this at the very beginning. I've been working on a Discord server, so soon we're gonna have one. In case anyone wants to join. I've had people come in and say that, or ask me if I have one, and I always have to tell them no. Okay, so now I think what would make the most, well, we need to construct that now, don't we? I hate this fucking constructor. Oh wait, but don't we have to, yeah we do. Damn. We would have to, ugh, whatever, we could do that. Nice. It's not gonna look super fantastic, I'm kind of rushing it, but yeah, it's gonna be something, it's gonna be good. I've made Discord servers in the past, so I'm not like, I guess like new at making it, but I mean Discord servers aren't hard to make, so. I'm trying to think if there was like a easier way to do this. Yeah, let's do this. We should need to make sure we change max here. Max magic. Cool. Distance. Yeah, cool. Nice. I think that's good. Do you guys, what the fuck? Do you guys call Coca-Cola with ice cream a float or a spider? Float 32. I call it an abomination. Even here, it's a debate, but I say spider. I think it's a float, right? Although we don't use, most of the time we use root beer. I don't know if that's like a South USA kind of thing, but I don't know. They do like a root beer float. I've never heard of Coca-Cola floats though. Or I've never seen a Coca-Cola float. Never heard anyone call it a spider. I haven't either. A spider? You call Coca-Cola with ice cream on top a spider? Why? What's the logic behind that? I'm just curious. Not dissonant, I'm just like wondering. I'm very much not from the southern United States, and we also do root beer floats up here. Okay, so I'm just stupid. I guess it's not just a South thing. I can't tell what is a South thing and what isn't a South thing. Also, a lot of people think that people in the South, like in the United States, call soda Coke. We don't do that shit. I hate when people say that shit, bro. I've never heard anyone call just general soda Coke. I've never heard anyone say that. What's up, 9L? I grew up in Texas and we had root beer floats, and they do Coke floats in Ohio. Interesting. Maybe root beer floats are more common here because I've never even heard of a Coke float. Something like that. I think rust is fine, but naming is too pretentious. Yeah, okay, that's fair. Because when it melts, it looks like a web. Really? Hold on, wait. Can I look that up really quick? Give me 1 second. Coke float. Let me look at it really quick. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Coke float. Melted? No, they all kind of just look like ice cream and Coke. I don't know. I don't know. Hold on, wait. Why is Coke float called a spider? Oh yeah, it's called a spider in Australia and New Zealand. What the hell? What about pop? They do that shit in Belmont. Do they? Really? Okay, I don't want to know what the fuck goes on in Belmont, so we do not call it pop. I think isn't that like a northern United States kind of thing? Okay, hold on guys, we're investigating right now. We're all investigating together. The fizzy soda reacting with the ice cream creates foam and bubbles that looks like a spider web. Okay, interesting. Yeah, it's just an Australia and New Zealand thing. You guys are weird, man. No, I'm kidding. I've never heard of it like that. Interesting. Do they actually call Coke? Yeah, they call it pop in Ohio. I still say soda. Damn, they call it pop in Ohio? Shit, dude. Ohio, that's if I was to expect one state to do that, it would be Ohio. No diss, but kind of. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah. We're going down fucking file by file doing this shit right now. Attack. Okay, what the fuck? There we go. Yeah, how are you guys doing tonight? Anyone new in here? Did we say hi to Snorlax? I'm just curious. Did we say hi to Snorlax? Curious. Ohio. Yeah, many Southeast Texans will just say Coke when they mean soda. Interesting. Interesting. I didn't hear the Skibbity State, bruh. I didn't hear, because I used to live like south of Houston, and I feel like even then it was called soda. Not sure, but maybe it's like a Louisiana kind of thing, because I know Beaumont's pretty close to Louisiana. No, hi Snorlax. Yeah, you better, Psycho. Say hi to Snorlax. Yeah, everyone in here should go ahead and say hi to Snorlax, please. All right, $20. There's $20 right there. Okay, come on now. I paid $20 so I can have a Snorlax in the background of my stream. Come on, guys. Hi Snorlax. How could I forget? Exactly. How could you forget, bro? What was the song called? Down in Ohio or something? Yeah, no, I know what you're talking about. Oh, what's up, Poval? I'm in Houston, and no one I know calls everything Coke. Everyone's called it soda. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Snorlax woke you up? Yeah, that's contradictory. Contradictory? Is that how you say contradictory? I don't know. I code. I don't do English. Okay, let's go to... Oh, wait, no, I already did that. Yeah, I see, when I lived in Houston, no one ever called it that. And now I live kind of... I don't want to dox myself. But where I live at now, they still don't call it Coke. I've never heard anywhere call it Coke. But someone said they call it Coke in Beaumont, which is interesting. Houston is in the city, so that makes sense. You didn't win him from a carnival? Fuck no, dude. What? Come on now. Come on. I'm a computer science student, bro. Anything with physical activity, gang, I'm cooked. Fucking cooked, bro. No, I'm kidding. I did play sports in high school. But no. I did not win him in a carnival. I bought him. Full price. Full price. That's a full price Snorlax you're looking at right there. That's a full price Snorlax. Come on now. Show some respect. Enemy resistance. I'm trying to make sure I'm not skipping over any of these because that would be troublesome. But yeah, I don't know. Texas is so big though, so maybe like, you know, certain parts of the state are weird. Like, I don't think I've met anyone sane from Lubbock, Texas. What do you guys know about Lubbock, Texas? They make the weirdest people. X resistance. Cool. I think that's it. C++ is winning at 7%. Nice, 67%. We love that. We love that. I'm gonna change these up. Yeah, because this will just make it so much easier to check. Like, genuinely. Absolutely nothing. Come on, Psycho. Come on, Psycho. Oh, you don't know. Sorry, I was sitting here thinking about what you were saying that to. You were saying that about Lubbock, I guess. Yeah, Lubbock is West Texas. If Rust had won the world, would collapse. Yeah, probably so. Probably so. Well, no, they'd refactor all the code to Rust like they said they were going to do, right? They said all the companies were going to do that. So, I think all the companies would just do that one day. Yeah, that should be good. One more, guys. One more. Unomas. There we go. Cool. I don't think I've ever been farther west than Dallas. Yeah, most people don't go more west than that. Most people don't go more west than that. So, yeah. If you had to name the best city, what would you say it is? Like in Texas. I don't know how many Texas cities you went to, but just curious about that answer. 3 people tied at 150 XP. Oh shit. We got some competitive chatters. You guys better start spamming. Don't actually spam. Please don't spam. Okay, that's it. That's good. We're good now. Nice. Cool. Cool. So now what we can do is we can just simply check. We can do, we can make like a, oh shit. Gary, Indiana. What the fuck? Gary, Indiana. That's kind of a funny. It's kind of funny. Okay. Floats character. We'll do get max ATK const. We will simply just return stats. Max defense, right? I think so, right? No, we can't do that? What happened? Oh, because obviously, okay, I'm stupid. I'm actually so dumb. Houston probably, but that's because I didn't have to live there. Space Center rules, gotta go there. Maybe turn this kid. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. Yeah, the Space Center was so fucking sick. I used to be really into space too. Like I wanted to be like an astronaut, bro. Dude. Yeah, it was nice. Get max attack. Yeah, so we'll just do. Yeah, the Space Center was sick though. I think that's it, yeah. So that should fix itself. Nice. Let's just do this. Wait, did we put the max defense over here? What the fuck? Oh wait, no, that's wrong. It's wrong. That's okay. I was like, what? Then we take it off and let's see. Maybe you can code some software for NASA. Hell no. Not to mention Astroworld. Yeah, Astroworld, bro. I would say what that stands for, but I don't want to say the first word. Tore it down before I ever got back. I never got to go. It tore down before I was even able to go. So that kind of sucks. But yeah, I heard things about it though. I heard things about it. Heard it was magical. Sorry, let me silence my phone, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Dude, that Taco Bell is calling my name right now, gang. That Taco Bell is calling my name. Okay. So we player party. We get max defense. There we go. That's pretty easy. And so we're gonna check for that. If so, then we're gonna just simply do player party set defense. I think we just do set defense, and then we'll set it to this. Just get max defense. Yeah. So that'll basically kind of reset the defense. Taco Baco. Alright, dude. Taco Baco. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, so this should work, I think. I think we need to do it for both, don't we? Because defense, yeah, I think so. We'll need to do it for, oh, nice. We'll need to do it for the enemy party as well. We'll just do it at the very start, because, well, I guess we could do it. I can't decide. One missed call from Tokyo Spliff. What, dude? I will never be able to compare to him. I guess we could just... Well, no, we'd want to... Maybe doing it at the very beginning is good. We will talk about Baco if you want a laugh and to see where I got that from. What is it, like a video or? What the fuck? What is this shit? What? Chat. What? What the fuck am I looking at, chat? Google en passant? Yeah, I know what that is. I play chess. That took me off guard. Thank you for that. I'm glad I Googled that. Okay. Yeah, I think resetting it at the very start would make the most sense. Wait, don't we... Wait, no. We wouldn't want to do that, though. We'd want to reset... I think we'd want to reset this one after this, wouldn't we? Yeah, we would. I think. Do this. No, wait. Do that? Don't do that. No, don't do that. We want to do it here. Yeah, okay, yeah. I literally wrote it to do for that, to put it right there. So I guess I thought about that before. Okay, that makes sense. What's up, Genesis? Are you a Grandmaster? I'm a Grand Wizard. Yeah, definitely. International Grandmaster. Sorry, I probably made those commands kind of confusing. I should have done exclamation mark repo instead. Okay. Well, let's. I found a new a cool new thing that makes me like a professional programmer, because just trust me, it does. If I do this, like, that's so sick. And now boom, it's all fixed. So sick. The 3 people who said Rust, have you finished writing your custom assembly yet? What's up, Neons? Good to see you, by the way. For real. I'm getting more votes for Rust than I thought we would get. I thought it would be a wipeout, if I'm being honest. No, I'm a dumbass. No. I honestly probably should have named it Repo. But they made a brand new title just for you. What? A brand new title? What are you talking about? Oh, international. IGM. That's a thing. Oh wait, is it wait. Is it called International Master or International Grandmaster? It's International Grandmaster, is it not? Yeah. Well, okay. Hold on. Wait. Chess levels. Let's see that. See, master, national master, international master. Okay. Sorry. I say corrected. My bad. What does GitHub say? There's a 6% of chance of C in my code in my repo, even though it's full C++. I don't know. Mine says that too. Yeah, probably the header files. I have neither finished nor started. Bruh. Used instead of .h if that matters to you. I mean, yeah, maybe so. I know Grandmasters are better than International Masters, right? I know that. I watched the Queen's Gambit. I've seen it. Okay. Kind of a pro. I would love it if it said C 100%. No, Danny, no. I'm just gonna go ahead and just say no to that. Ain't doing shit for me. Left me down on bending knee. When I swept you in the Maybach, the only time I ever make it take a backseat. That should fix it. Let's go ahead and try this again now. Now we should be able to actually go through. But still though, it's kind of weird that you can, because technically now it's like you actually can get negative values, which is not good. Nice, it ended. Cool. What the fuck happened? No, they're worse, bruh. What are you talking about? International Masters are worse. Okay, what did I do wrong? Nice. Cool. Okay, so something's going on. Oh, I think we put that in the wrong... Yeah, we put that in the wrong fucking thing, bro. Wait, did we? No, we didn't. Battle start. Wait, it must be something to do with battle start. Battle start, I guess, stops it, or it does something. But why? What does battle start even do? Battle start just prints. What? If I remove battle start, does it go away? If so, that means we just need to refactor this, which for some reason is having issues. They need to rename header files to something else. It sounds like... Okay, dude. KNR will be on that list. The only reason I don't want to fully switch to C is the lack of operator overloading without methods. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Operator overloading is nice, and I just recently learned about it. It's a very nice tool. Let's just comment this out. If I comment this out, does it fix everything? Like just magically, or? Oh, now, okay, now it just doesn't work at all. What the fuck happened? Oh, wait, no. I think, no, this will work. But what needs to happen is we need to clean it though, don't we? Right? We need to clean. Oh shit. Wait, is it make clean? I think it is. Okay, fuck it. We're just gonna go through each of these files and delete it. Whatever. Function overloading, templates, and iterators. And do you know any other languages? Yes, I know JavaScript pretty well, actually. Unfortunately. I used a lot of JavaScript today, actually, at work. So that was fun. We're gonna go through each of these bad boys and delete it. Okay, nice. It's just gonna... I know a little bit of Python, but I don't know. I got through Python like in the first CS course, and I just said, fuck it, I never want to touch that shit again. I'm with the real languages, you know what I mean? The languages everyone likes. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, that's a normal error, that's good. Or warning, not an error, sorry. Okay, normal errors, or warnings. Nice. Do A warrior, B2, C3, default, fight. Perfect, it works now. Nice. Thank God. Okay, let's actually try to go through and fight this now. I'm just gonna spam one. Just spam that shit. Fuck it. Let's make sure everything is still properly done though. 26.5. Okay, let's make sure the stats are still the same. Yeah, so 9. Okay, everything looks normal. I think everything's operating normally. Let's see. Gucci Man loves JavaScript. Cool. JavaScript and Python have become like the... Wait, what? I don't even know what the fuck that means, bro. I ain't gonna lie. What does that mean? Everyone knows at least a little bit. Oh, okay, I got you. Paste tag. I'm making a pseudo DOM type of thing with Skia. That's nothing to do with JS, thank God. This knows Python. It's about 69%. What the fuck, dude? What are you talking about, dude? I need to keep up with my chat, bro. You guys are... Yeah, I don't know. I just always liked JavaScript more than Python. If I'm being honest. I think it's just more use cases for it. Or like, you know that saying? It's like everything that can be programmed in JavaScript will be programmed in JavaScript. I don't know, some shit like that. It's pretty cool. Let's continue. By the way, are we getting any negative values? No, we're not. So cool. Keep spamming it. Nice. Look at us debugging. This is how my tests look. What are we at right now? See, that's so useful now. I can like go back. Yeah, status dead. Okay, our healer died. Nice. Okay, almost done, yeah. This is sick, dude. We're making hella fucking progress. Battle has ended, turn 17, and it does that. Okay, so now we just need to fix the battle has ended. So it's able to call that, but it's not able to do anything else. So we need to make sure we do that now. Back in the 1800s, French was the world's business language. Today it's English. Oh, okay, I got you. What I meant by it is the language that everyone knows a little bit of. Gotcha. That's it. That is interesting. Anything can go wrong, or anything that can't go wrong will go wrong. We're getting joined. What? We're getting John Blow game before yours with this pace. John Blow? What the fuck is John Blow? We're getting John Blow game? What is that? Danny, I'm confused. John Blow is my favorite dealer. What the fuck are you guys talking about? What is John? Who the fuck is John Blow? A composer? Are you guys talking about a composer? What are you guys talking about? You guys are fucking confusing me. Okay, so now we just need to make sure that we have this done. And that it goes back to the right one. Braid guy? John Blow is my favorite inventor of blow. John Blow sounds like a fun guy. Sounds like a fun guy. Braid guy. Who the fuck is Braid guy? Oh, that guy. Who? What are you talking about? Braid guy. Oh, video game designer. Oh, he made a game called Braid. Oh yeah, thanks Wiki. I love the light theme. Interesting. Braid came out like 15 years ago. Braid 2008, longer. Interesting. The Witness guy. I don't think I've heard anything of Braid. What is Braid? Is that like a well-known game? I've never heard of it before. It's an indie puzzle platform video game? I don't think I ever played it. Then again, in 2008, how old was I in 2008? I was 5. At least you can change it to dark mode now. Yeah, that's true. I got a completely different John Blow when I searched it. Yeah, I did too. I got a fucking composer from like the 1800s or some shit. Like, what are we talking about? Okay. So now we need to do the end game condition. Right. So we do process turn if blah blah blah. We end up popping. But why does it end it though? Maybe it's something to do with in battle? Something to do with in battle maybe? No, but that doesn't make any sense. Wait, so why did it do that? I'm confused. The first guy is crazy. Some old composer guy. Imagine being a composer in the 1800s named John Blow. Like, what the fuck? Okay. Why is this not... Homie. What's going on here? What the fuck? You know what sucks too? Wait, is this gonna pass through? Oh, wait. No, it shouldn't. I don't think so. It's like if no more next party member, then it does the process turn, resets the party index as it should, pops the menu stack. No wait, no. This is what it'll do. This is what it should do. But for some reason, it's still printing the turn, so it's passing through somewhere. We need to play his music on stream? No. Dude, I got copyright striked the other night when we looked at like, I don't know, like the piano shit. Bruh, I got striked for that shit, bro. It's supposed to say battle ended twice? No, that's just my terminal being weird. See, look, I don't know, what the fuck is this? Like, it like duplicates. It's like the weirdest shit in the world. If I like do this shit, it just like, I don't know, it's like so weird. But it's not supposed to print the turn at all. I don't know why it's printing the turn. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Really like some Fortnite singing stream win. Never, Danny. Never. It's the game of life. Brother, you guys are fucking weird, bro. Number 1 victory royale. Bro, I was like 15 when that shit came out, bro. Or I think I might have been 14. Crazy, bro. After the nested if, it just continues and then pops the mini twice again. Yeah, I think you're right. Does it continue after that? Because it does this. Oh, yes. No, you're right. It does continue. Yeah. That's why this needs to be an else. It was supposed to be an else earlier, but I decided not to do that because I thought it was too cool. Thank you for that. Was that D-Tree? Was that? Yeah, thank you, D-Tree. I'm done. You're putting the turn online, which was D-Tree breaking out of the function inside of the statement. I have no context. Seems wrong, guess. Yeah. Basically what you said, yeah. Okay. I think that'll work. Let's try that now. Yeah, because that's why I would end the game too. Now we have to go through an entire another fight. Bro. All good. Just return in the branch? No, Danny. No. I guess we could do that, but no. Okay, now we'll just spam 1. Aren't my streams just like so entertaining? Is the music actually good? It's always good. I have really good taste. I need to write a script for this so that way we can test it. A lot easier. Oh yeah, right now. 7. Okay, still ends it though. Why does it still end it? It's no longer like crashing or doing anything stupid, but it's like, I think what we need to do is thank you for the sub. Okasha? Thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, what are we doing? Battle Simulator. More entertaining than most of the stuff on YouTube right now. I know a script kitty who will do it for you. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend I didn't hear that. This is how... What? What's it say? It's how World War III will be fought? Will it be fought like this? Do you think so? Fuck, I just knocked over my empty water bottles. For some reason it's not showing some of the chats on my laptop. Okay, cool. So it's still popping out of it. I feel like, is the menu stack empty? Is that why? Like, is that the reason? Or maybe it's passing through still and it's like popping somewhere else instead. Do we, wait, in battle, do we end up like popping something? Because if we do it there, then that's the reason. I don't even remember what the fuck it was. It was up here, right? End info? No, we need end battle, thank you. Here it is, cool. Oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah, okay. But is it doing anything though? It's returning true or false. Oh, I don't think we never like did anything about this, I remember now. Would you be surprised if the apocalypse is caused by something mundane like a buffer overflow? Remember CrowdStrike? What is CrowdStrike? What is that? I'm finna fuck up this Taco Bell, bro. You guys have no idea. Dude, I haven't eaten all day. I didn't eat once today. Not once. It's just calling my fucking name. But why is it... Yeah, right, okay, I think we need to... Because this returns a true or false. And so, whenever we... Where do we call that at? We just call it, but we don't give anything to it, do we? I feel like... How are you gonna mention Taco Bell and not share with chat? Guys, you guys don't understand how broke I am. You guys think I got... Bro, you think I got Taco Bell money for all of you guys? Come on now. Come on, bro. No, hey, one day though, I got you. Should be a flammable offense? Okay, neons. Alright, bro. Fine. Fine, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'll spend my last $2 on getting us some cinnamon twist. You guys fuck with cinnamon twist? You guys fuck with them? Personally, I think they're very overrated. Incredibly overrated. Dry as fuck. Like, yeah, it's cinnamon, but like, whoop-de-doo. There's like better cinnamon things. They have like the cinnamon bun things. Those are nice. Now, those are good. Like the cream inside, like, ooh, bro. Fuck. Got me going crazy just thinking about it. Okay. Yeah, so I think we need to return this, or we need to fix this. So game data in-game equals this. I think we need to do like another conditional branch. I'm not sure. I was thinking of something else. Let me hold that $7 box until Christmas. Nah, thank God they have that shit. I get that shit every time. Either that or I'll get the $9 box. The $9 box is pretty good. Most of the time. That's like the discovery one. That's like the new shit that they have. So Snorlax gonna eat all that. All that fat, bro. Why would you come on now? Why would you say that about Snorlax? Why would you say that without snorting like that ass? That's not cool, bro. That's not cool. Someone time out that guy. Come on now. That's low-key kind of fucked up. I guess we need to print end info, right? Is that the one? End info? No. That's called. It needs to be something different, I think. Normally you create fight menu, right? No, we wouldn't usually need to, I don't think. I think because it's still in the stack. Fight menu is still in the stack. It's not popped. A hunch about menu stack being empty sounds plausible. I mean, it probably is plausible, but I can't tell how it would be. Because I genuinely feel like something's going on with this. Not with this, but like it's. I don't think it's popped, or like I don't think it's empty. Because like what? This is target menu, so therefore we're looking at 4 menus by this point. So then we pop 2. We have 2 more menus. The fight menu. No wait, it should actually be pop 3, I think. Yeah, no, it should be because it should be 3. Yeah, what the fuck? I'm pretty sure. Because we need to go out of fight menu too. We don't need to do 3 here. We don't need to do 3 anywhere else. We should need to do it here. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Don't know though. Guess we'll just kind of like, you know, wait for it to blow up in our face. You know what sucks about this too? I have to go through the entire fight every single time. Just to get this. Ugh. I need to make like a script for this or something. I don't know, like I feel like we were gonna do something specific. Because the reason we had this return as a boolean is because we need to check if it's true, then that means that the player won. If it's false, then the player did not win, therefore we need to end the game. So in game data, do we have in game? Okay, yeah, so we do have in game. We just need to do, why don't you just log the stack because I'm lazy. It seems like you always pop twice and then create a menu with the exception of that branch. Yeah, usually, but that's usually only because, well, no, I think there's another time that we don't do that. For instance, we don't need to do, no, we do need to do that. No, wait, but there's a reason we do that, yeah. I don't think we need to, we'll try it, but I genuinely don't think so. I think we can just pop it because the menu is always going to be there and it's not going to change. Like it'll never change, I don't think. Right? Well, no, I'm actually wrong about that. I am wrong about that. Yeah, I'm completely wrong. I'm completely stupid about that actually. Because this will need to be updated with the current arena index. Write some tests? No. No, this is after work stuff, all right? This is after work stuff. I mean, yeah. Try it, yeah. Well, it should still always return to the main menu. It won't be the accurate main menu. That doesn't make any sense because I don't want like the. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna see out. We are gonna see out the menu stack. Exactly. See, Neons gets it. I think we're gonna do that. We're gonna do menu stack. I'm gonna just see what's at the top. Menu message. Is that a good idea? Well, no, we'll do run menu just to see it, just to see what runs at the very top of the stack. Because, bro, I swear. Well, I guess we don't need to do that. We'll just do menu message. Okay, main menu is choose option. Fight menu is choose an option. Here, let me just write this, so that way we know. I mean, the options will be different. Well, no, it's only returning that. It's not gonna return the whole thing. Good old print F debugging, yes sir. Sometimes write tests, you're pulling the G-test. Yeah, fuck that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Not doing that. You enjoy testing and don't let someone stop you, but most people see it as a chore. Yeah. I see it as a chore. I like a good old see out, you know what I mean? That's my shit. I think that's good. I don't think, do we have choose an option for these guys too? Let's get name, so that's gonna be different. This is choose an option, the 5 menu, but that can stay. But that can stay, okay. Let's just see what happens. What really sucks is I have to fucking, whatever, man. It is what it is. I just don't feel like it. We're just gonna spam 1 and enter the whole time. You guys having a good night? I don't know what the fuck's going on with my voice. Can't fucking speak apparently. Bro, I'm just laughing at how I probably look right now. Wait, what? Oh, C is fallen. Yeah, I thought it was continuing it. Choose an option. Okay, wait. Yeah, so something's making it not come back into the main menu. Do we have like an in menu or some shit? Or maybe not that, but I don't know. Get really good at tests before I stop doing web dev, so it's integrated to me. Gotcha. Can you just simulate the data, call the thing externally without doing this shit? No, Danny. That would be too, you look like a programmer solving problems. No, Danny, it's too sophisticated, bro. Like, come on now. We're not about sophistication here. We're about laziness, alright? Okay, so that means that this... Okay, that's kind of odd, though. Because what this tells us right here, what this menu message tells us, is that the fight menu is at the very top of the stack. I can't speak. The very top of the stack. After popping it 3 times. We popped it 3 times, and it's at choose an option. Pro blamer. I like that. So like what? We popped it 3 times, and we got the. That means that the fight menu is at the top of the stack. But how? We popped it 3 times. What? We might see out all of these. Yeah, fuck it. Because I'm curious, like, what the... Like, what is that? I don't know. But if I feel lazy, I just make shared? What is that? I've never actually used that. We really need to get some like what's that one thing called? I don't know. Yeah. We need to see all the ones in the stack. I'm sorry, this is just funny. Bro, I hope no one from the place that I'm employed ever sees one of my streams. Because if they saw me doing like stupid shit like this, bro, I might lose a job. And I'd be like, this guy is clearly not a programmer. Okay, so we get choose a target. So that means that target, these turn. I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense. Wait, we get choose an option and then choose an option? Why do we get choose an option? Why do we get two of those? Choose a move, choose an option, choose an option. I should have separated them, but this is the target menu. This is the skill menu. These turn, choose a move. Oh, no, this is the skills menu. These both are in the skill menu. Okay, yeah, I remember that now. Choose an option. Why do we have two choose an option? What the fuck? Sup? What's up, Muhammad? How are you? This is how Linux was built. Small rabbit hole if you haven't dealt with smart pointers. Oh, the mic shared thing. Got you. Or mic shared? Make shared? What am I saying? All my homies hate smart pointers. We love arenas. Yeah, this is literally what Linus. With Linus live streaming to all his followers. Yeah, exactly. The mailing list. Yeah, so that means we have two choose an option. Why do we have two choose an option? Because that means we have two fight menus? Right? Okay, yeah, we need to solve this before we solve the main gist of the rest of it. Make Linux. Yeah, I like that yeah, I use that function all the time. Okay, yeah, so that means that there's what, two fight menus? Why is there two fight menus? Do we do a create fight menu at some point? What? Wait, we do it here, but no, that's a cancel thing. No, I'm confuzzled. I actually don't know. You know what we might do? Hold on, wait, what if we did, let's do another pop. Let's do that. Let's do another pop and see what happens. Well, I just want to see like the message, because ideally we should get main menu message, but what if like there's multiple? Yeah, I don't know, like what if there's like multiple shit like that? I don't know. Last one realizes he could have just used that. Control F dot push. Oh yeah, I mean we can check where we did all the pushes. Yeah, we can do that next. I just want to see, because if this is also a choose an option, like another fight menu, then that means that we're having multiple fight menus in the stack, and that's not a good thing. So, or like we're somewhere adding like multiple fight menus, so it's like looping, if that makes sense. Like we're not deleting it, or we're not like popping it. Basically, we're just adding another fight menu to it. I think this is the most entertaining stream I've ever had. Genuinely. It's just one of those streams. There we go. Yeah, choose an option, choose an option, choose an option. Okay, so okay. So if I had to guess, this means that there is multiple fight menus in the stack. Because I bet you if we did menu stack pop again, it would show another choose an option. Does it belong near the kernel? Yeah, fair enough. Okay, so I think something's happening that's making it where fight menu is being added to the stack repeatedly, which is a terrible memory thing. So if I had to guess, I mean, we could do another pop just to be 100%, but I feel like that's, do I really feel like spamming one again over and over and over? Not really, no. I don't feel like that. be honest. So instead, I think we're just going to assume that there's some kind of error somewhere. My theory is that you're pushing more than one menu onto the stack. Yeah, like, yeah, I think you're right. Well, no, push is only used there. Oh, wait, no, because I use in place. Sorry. Yeah, so in place commands, so menu stack, in place, choose a target. No, that's a skill stack, that's not gonna work. Menu stack in place. Okay, this is the actual creation of the fight menu. So we make the vector, we fill the vector with what we need it to. But somewhere there's another create fight menu, I think, and we're not hopping. But it can't be canceled, that doesn't make any sense. Maybe it's here? Wait, which one is this one? Wait, am I actually dumb? No, I think I might actually be dumb. Chat. Wait. This should not be created. This is literally creating a fight menu every single time. Wait, but if we don't do that... I don't remember why we did that. Why did we do that? Chat, do you guys remember? Fight itself calls... creates select skill menu the command. Well, yeah, I mean, it's supposed to. It's, well, no, like, fight menu, like, create fight menu calls a lambda function that allows you to create, or to use the fight option, like this function, that would, therefore, create the skill menu. So it's not calling create skill menu every time, but I mean, I see your, so I'm gonna head to sleep now. Good luck. Good to see you, Apple. Good to see you, Apple. Snorlax says goodnight to you. Alright, appreciate you. Thank you for the support. Alright, we told you to break out of the function, but you wrote an else statement. I did write an else statement. Wait, do I need to break out of it completely? I did write an else statement. Is it better to... Oh no, wait. Okay, let's not do an else statement. I'm sure that's not like what's causing it, but still. Because now you got me paranoid. Wait, what the fuck? Oh wait, no. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure. Don't create select fight. Yeah, so now I think now it should be okay. Let's see, it should be 3 pops, I think. I think the only real thing that... Can we do this? I figured if that's just a JavaScript thing. Can we do this? Do you guys know? Oh, fuck it. We'll see if we get any errors. Let's go to the end of the block above. Are you sure? Oh, yes. You're right. Thank you for saying that. Jeez. I almost fucked myself. Yeah, but that works though, doesn't it? Or is that just a JavaScript thing? Have I been writing too much JavaScript? I guess we'll see if it compiles. Alright guys, my favorite part of the stream. Just sit back and just... If menu message is a string, then you need that. Damn. You can use break. Maybe we should have done break. I think return works too though, doesn't it? Okay, okay, cool. It's back in the main menu now. Okay. So now we just need to see. What's up, Ryan? Good to see you. Come on, Danny. Okay, so now we just need to see why it's not running. Okay. It is back to the main menu though. That's good. Yeah, I guess this could be ternary, but whatever, fuck it. We already got what we needed. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. Return might work. I feel like would return actually not work because this is also, all of this is happening inside of a loop because all of this is happening. Well, actually, wait, return, no, return might work. Break works only with loops, I think. Well, this is technically in a loop, but I don't know. Well, it's not like in a loop in this function. Well, it is, but maybe break is good. He's in a lambda, and so return is good here. Okay, yeah, so it should be good. Yeah, I think return would work, but for some reason it's not running anymore. It like totally exits out of it. But why? I think it's because in-game is false. No, it should remain false. Wait, but the boolean. Oh, wait. Wait. I think I might know what's going on. Yeah, we're setting in-game to true. That's what we're doing. We're setting in-game to true when it should be the opposite of this. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's what's going on. So if we go to motherfucking, if we just need to swap these guys. That's genuinely what's causing it. Right? Because this would end it. Because the winner would be the enemy party. So we go here. Chat, I'm cooking. Go here. 3 pops is good. 3 pops is exactly what I thought it should be. I think we can get rid of these. I don't need them anymore. Okay. I'm actually cooking, chat. I'm cooking it up. My brain is frying, trying to understand the code flow. No, trust me, I fully understand what's happening right now. Alright, so now if we go through, let me read the chat real quick. Yeah, sorry, hold on. It'll make sense. I can describe it if what I think will work actually does end up working here. You need to make sure your inner menus or combat loop runs inside your main menu return argument. No, I think this works. See? My keyboard loud, guys? How did learning debugging go? It didn't go. I just didn't do it. I tried to open up Visual Studio and it crashed like 4 times. So I was like, fuck it. Do this the bare bones way. Yeah, okay, look, see, look, it works now. Yeah, it works. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, it goes back. Okay, cool. Nice. Nice. Okay, so basically what happened. Yeah, trust me, I fully understand what's going on right now. Well, I'm glad someone can. Here, I got you. Let me spit. Okay, so here's what's going on. Okay. Look at this this line right here. Line 117. Okay, we're setting the in-game boolean, which is a boolean in the game loop, the main game loop, that decides if we need to end the game or not, right? So this is being set to the in battle method from current battle, which is a combat function. So if we go to what in battle actually does, basically what in battle does is it checks who won and who lost. So if the player party won, it used to return true, right? But if the enemy party won, it used to return false. So therefore, I had my logic mixed up. What would happen is it would return true whenever the enemy would lose, but it would return false whenever we would win, basically. Or whenever the enemy would win. So therefore, in battle would return false, or it would return true if we won, but then that makes the in-game boolean true, so therefore it ends the game, it wipes it. Does that kind of make sense? And current battle is a game data thing. It's in here. That's how we access everything. I feel like we don't need this anymore, but I'm gonna keep it anyways, because fuck it. Does that make sense, guys? Do you guys kind of follow? Because basically, if this is true, if in-game is true, then it won't run the menu manager, which is the thing that actually runs the menus, keeps it running. So if in-game is false, then it stops. It just totally stops it. Does that make sense, guys? Am I making sense to you? All of that because you were missing one operator. Sheesh. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Feel bad for you. Yeah, fuck it. It's funny at this point. I honestly, it is what it is. All of that because I had the return and the false. I spent hours looking for semicolons before, so I feel your pain. Yeah, no, it is what it is. The main thing really was, it wasn't this, it was just like, I had this as this, I had it as return true, and I had this as false, because like, oh, if we lose, then it's false, but if we win, then it's true. But I was setting in game to whatever this returned, so I would need to flip them basically. I mean, I could just like, I don't know, do something else, but I don't know. If you beat all enemies, will game end? Yes, it will. The grand rewrite in C is close. I can feel it. Yeah, right, Danny. In your fucking dreams. In your dreams, brother. Definitely not, gang. Definitely not. Whew. That was a lot of work, guys. I ain't gonna lie. That was a lot of work. That got me hungry. Doesn't help when someone replaces question mark. Oh yeah, I remember talking about that. There should be a horror movie called No Matching Template for Candidate. What does that mean? Bro, I be getting the weirdest fucking emails. I gotta charge my phone. Sorry guys. I gotta charge my phone because the Taco Bell app is on my phone, and so I can't have it die if I'm about to get Taco Bell. So hell yeah, guys. Nice. Look at how many fucking bugs we fixed tonight. We're kind of on a roll. We're kind of on a fucking roll. Low key chat. Low key, you know what? Fuck. Pound it, bro. Pound it. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Okay. So what's next? We might want to test the entire game, low key. I find it interesting you worked with the player enemy parties in combat loop. Well, I started with menu saving the system inventory first, but now I'm including combat loop. Everyone has their own, you know. Yeah, neons. I could have done that for sure, but you know, whatever. When do we get to break in? When do we get to break in? What are you talking about? Match table with the corresponding item IDs. Yeah, I mean, honestly, when I do implement like some kind of item system, I might have wished I went with that first. Talk about app, do an infinite while loop, popping the menu stack. What the dude, my brain is so fried right now. What are we talking about? That's what I love about programming though. We get to decide how to build our app. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's art. It's art. And it still works 90% of the time. No, it doesn't. But I see where you're coming from. The game, when do we get to break it? Oh, when you gonna break it? Well, I mean, you can, I guess, run it. Well, unless you're on Linux. I need to fucking hurry up and make a CMake, don't I? What, you guys want to like exploit it? Is that what you're saying? Do you know his parents named him Linus because Linus translates to our lines, and he's a communist? Bro, what the fuck? We're all nice. Should we go through like the entire thing? Well, we can't now because the fucking terminal looks all shitty. We might be able to, but I don't know. I feel like we wouldn't really be able to though, because I don't know if we have the correct leveling system in place. Because look, we're all, oh no wait, they're level 2, so we might be okay, honestly. I don't know. Should we go through the entire game, chat? Fuck it, let's do it. Wait, what the fuck is happening? Oh, it's not even... What? Wait, what's... Wait, the enemies are dead, what? Wait, I think the arena index isn't being incremented, that's what's going on, yeah. Your CMakes won't look much different, you make file in this case. Yeah, probably not. Probably not. He agrees that they should rename it to ++C to make it faster. That does not make it faster, bro. It's another way of declaring basically the same stuff. Yeah, I mean, I'll get around to it. I keep saying I'll get around to like certain shit, but yeah, I really do need to do that so that way I can actually we'll do that. Agreed. Brother. Combat. Yeah, I mean that does make sense, right? I mean why you would want to do that, because yeah, like if consumables are going to be a very big part of your combat system, then for sure. I just didn't think I'd even get this fucking far, I'll be honest. C+. That's funny. It's like a millisecond. Hey, every second counts, bro, every second counts. So what's happening, I think, is the arena index is not being incremented. Yeah, which it would need to be incremented here, right? Or am I tripping? Yeah, no, it would. Wait, unless... Is that done here, or... No, wait, I think I might know what's happening. I think it's because we actually do need to... Okay, we do actually need to pop the main menu in the menu stack and replace it, because right now it's still using the old lambda, the old lambda function instead. Why it doesn't just optimize it out? Let's see Rust. Yeah, so I think, because I'm pretty sure we do increment the arena index, don't we? We do it somewhere. I think it might be an in battle. No, it's not. Maybe it's no, do we do that anyway? Hold on. Index. No, okay, yeah, so I don't think we're incrementing it, but I think at the same time we might have to make a new fight menu whenever we do that. So let's go ahead and make sure that we're actually incrementing it, and then we can kind of go back through it and make sure that we're actually doing it right. So we'll do in battle index, okay, game data, arena index. Oh wait, no, wait. To make it faster, there we go. Compiler Explorer is fun. Thanks, Matt. Godblow? What is that? Compiler. What is that? Let's rerun it again. Y'all's favorite part of the stream, when I just spam one over and over and over. Oh, nice, error. Oh. Silly gives me headaches. Too many letters down. Shut the fuck up. Assembly is witchcraft. That's what assembly is. My hands are getting tired from doing this. This will probably be the last time we have to do this though, so it's okay. We're also going to do a clear console, I think. You want to add that as well. There we go. Nice. Okay, battles ended. Cool. Print party stats. We're also not showing the print party info at the very end, so we need to make sure that we add that as well. Or like the break. Father's even worse. We need to call not print info, just end info. Yeah, we need to have that called. So let's do fight again. And I think what's gonna happen is Okay, no, it is replaced, I guess. Oh, okay, this one actually, okay, so it's just, so we don't have to pop the main menu. All we have to do is just make sure that we're actually incrementing the arena index and we're good. Cool, cool, cool. That's good, that's good. Yeah, because this is the next fight. Okay, perfect, perfect. Nice. Oops, I see assembly in my sleep. Don't understand it though. Who does? Who does? Okay. Perfect. Nice. I think I'm gonna add the end info. And how long have I been streaming for? How long have I been streaming for? Damn. 2.5 hours. Oh my gosh, guys, it's my bedtime. No, it's really time for Taco Bell. That's what it's really time for. But I do want to add the end info really quickly. Because that actually checks, where is the combat file? Because that actually checks the EXP and if anyone leveled up. No, it doesn't do that actually. What does that? Oh, we do that here, don't we? Yeah, but we're changing, yeah, we changed like the leveling system though. Did you hear about the guy on ketamine who wrote a virus in C? What the fuck? No, I did not hear about that shit. Without typing it? What? What are you talking about? Without typing it. What do you do? Speech to text? Okay, we'll still do. Wait, no, wait, aren't we calling that already? Oh yeah, we are doing info already. Okay, yeah, so there's no point in doing that. Okay, cool. Nice. So we're basically done. I haven't made a commit in a very long time. Git commit Snorlax fixed the menu system. Nice. Git push feature menu system. And honestly, I think that's the entire menu system. I can't, you know what I'm saying? What's up, PK? How are you? On a Friday, don't you think? He spoke to his friend. Really? What the fuck? That is a normal Friday kind of thing, huh? Yeah, but I think we're done with the menu system. Like, genuinely, I think that's it. It works. It doesn't look good right here, but it works. You know what I'm saying? And that's what matters. That's what fucking matters. Letters instead of words. I've definitely done that plenty of times. Number of files is crazy. Don't look at that. Hey bro, we reached the end. This is awesome. There's also this virus that would play beeps and hoops from your PC even if the sound was off. What the hell? How do you even do that? I guess that's probably like a hardware kind of thing. Yeah. I'm great. Just woke up here at 3 a.m. Found you working again. Keep it up. Thanks, PK. I appreciate you. 3 a.m. Brother, what are we doing? Go back to bed, homie. Go back to bed. Thank you guys for 8 likes, by the way. This has been a really good fucking stream. I'll be honest. Got a lot of fucking work done. Got a lot of work done. Wait, is there a reason? Oh, guys, did you guys not tell me about what the... Yo, how long was it like that? No, like, on God, how long was my screen like that? Did you guys... Okay, no, like, Deadass, how long was my fucking... It's actually crazy if... Wait, how... No, okay, like, chat. How long was my screen like this? How long was it like that? No fucking way. What if you guys would have said something, right? About half an hour or so? Are you serious? No, stop. You're like, you're kidding, right? You're actually kidding. Hold on, wait, I can check this actually. You're not lying. You're not fucking lying. Wait. You're actually not fucking lying. Are you serious, bro? Bruh. Bro, what the fuck? That was intentional? Fuck no. That was... Dude, what the hell? No, that was not intentional, bro. No, fuck, dude. Damn. Oh, bro, I'm banning all you guys, bro. What the fuck? You guys didn't even tell me, bro. You guys didn't even tell me. Fucking terrible. Fucking terrible. Anyways, like I was saying, I think the menu system is done. That was a long fight. You guys could, bro, if you go back to like my streams from, I don't know, when did I start doing this fucking thing? When did I start with the, hold on, I'm actually kind of curious. We're gonna do some investigating, guys. Because when did I, like, how many streams did it take me to get to this point? What was it, aspect ratio? No, like on Streamlabs, I think I was trying to like move my window and I accidentally like did this. So, and I guess I just didn't fucking notice. I just didn't notice like at all. It's fucking crazy. But yeah, how long have I been... How long have I been working on this menu system, bro? Oh, wait, we're gonna do some investigating. See if I got ratioed. Come on now. Okay, what was I working on here? Menu state. Okay, 11 days ago. 11 days ago I was working on this shit. Okay? Keep that in mind. But when did I start that? Was it this one? Fight command. Yeah, bro, what the fuck? Holy shit. Bro, we've been working on this since... For how many streams? Fucking 9 streams. We've been working on this for 9 streams, guys. Holy shit. 15 lives. No way, it's been 15 lives, dude. What are we working on here? There's no way this is the menu system either, is it? Target menu? It is! Bro, we've been working on this for so long. Don't tell me this too. I don't remember. I really should document this shit better. But dude, that's like 14. Still chilling Arizona iced tea? Hell yeah, you know me. Dude, look, battle menu. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, we actually have been working on this. Bro. That's fucking crazy, bro. We've deadass been working on this for like... Fucking... What is it? 12 streams now? Holy shit, that is crazy. And I couldn't get it right. Couldn't get it right for the fucking life of me, dude. Ugh. Damn, bro, that shit messed up my hair. Oh, what's up, Plato? Yo, bro, what's the memory usage of NeoVim? Can you up the task manager real quick? What the fuck? What are you talking about? NeoVim? I am not using NeoVim, gang. Do with the same collision system because I've crashed a shit ton. The thing is, I think the thing that I really fucked up on is I didn't make this project with scalability in mind. So I just kind of like really fucked myself over, essentially. But it is what it is, bro. We are where we are. So we're done with the menu system. We can finally move on with our fucking lives. So hell yeah. And you know what's crazy? If you guys look at the very top left of the screen, there's the to-do item that says add back option. The whole reason we refactored the entire menu system was because we wanted to add a back option. And I realized that the best way to do that would be to refactor everything. Literally everything. Notepad++. Oh, I did see VS Code logo on the top left, my bad. Yeah, sorry. I'm a normal kind of person. not a normal kind of person. I'm like a normie, I guess you could say. I don't know. I don't want to say normie. That sounds like 2010s. You know what I mean? I don't know. But damn, that's fucking crazy. Oh well, is what it is. Is what it is, chat. Is what it is. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. This Taco Bell is calling my name. I ain't gonna lie. This Taco Bell is calling my fucking name. And Snorlax. I gotta get Snorlax too. Fucking Normie. Come on now, psycho. Yeah, pretty damn good stream. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty damn good stream. You don't believe how good of an idea it is to scrap everything and start over once you get a feel. The problem is that system should work. Dude, I legit thought about doing some shit like that. Like when I was working on this and like when I was trying to like develop an idea as far as how I should approach this, I was like, dude, I might have to like fucking rewrite everything. Like dead ass. Straight up. The voices? What? You get the Taco Baco? Dude, shut the fuck up. What did that, bro, that was weird. Shit said like, what did it say? Tinkle outside the binkle. What does that even mean, chat? Grand rewrite and C called it. Fuck no, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're not doing a grand rewrite. Not doing that. This will remain in C++. Forever. Forever. Oh shit. What if you ask them for that at the drive-thru? There are a bunch of them. If I ask for that? Yeah, I definitely should. And just never be invited there ever again. Like, they'll just ban me from the fucking restaurant. Dude, I can't get banned from Taco Bell. I'm telling you, bro. That's my lifeline. It's my fucking lifeline, dude. Rust? We are not doing Rust, bro. We are not doing Rust. C and C++ won by 78%. We got 23 votes. Nice. If only half of those people stayed in. I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm glad I got the community I have. You guys are awesome. Genuinely. I could have you guys for the next, like, however fucking long. And that's awesome. Anyways, guys. I really gotta go. I'm starving. I'll be honest. Alright. You guys gotta say goodbye to Snorlax, though, before I do go. Okay? I will wait. I will wait very patiently until that is done. Okay? So... I used to order the Kalat. What? People at the register just stare at me. Human contact is overrated. It's a class. Enjoy that shit. Oh, I'm gonna fuck it up. You have no idea. I'm gonna fuck that shit up. Better fuck that shit up, bro. I voted for C, but both of them are pretty cool. Rust and C. I just use JavaScript, which is not cool. JavaScript is very cool. I use mostly JavaScript, so JavaScript is very cool. Plato. JavaScript is honestly one of the coolest, if I'm being honest. Nice Snorlax. Thank you guys. Yes. Yes. Bye Snorlax. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright guys. No more fan jokes about Snorlax, by the way. I'm still mad at you about that. Alright. Don't fall. Okay, fuck it. Good night, blue guy. Danny, I'm banning you. Fuck you. Alright, guys. You guys have a good night. Thank you guys for the support, as always. I'll be streaming tomorrow. So around the same time. So come check it out if you want. And yeah, you guys have a good night. Stay safe. Alright. Came late. See you, bro. Well, hey. I stream tomorrow. Good to see you, Plato. Thank you for stopping in, of course. I appreciate all the support, even if you weren't here for long. So thank you guys.